Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesign.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Ugh, Christmas is wrapping up. So like a lot of this stuff's gonna have to go away here. There's just no point in, I gotta get ahead on other stuff now. Who remembers when I picked this up at the Badwill for $2.99? When I bought it, I said it, needed love because it's just a little too uniformly shabby chic, right? I mean, it's like they put an H there and 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 an H. Computers can only do so much to make things look shabby. So I actually want to sand this down a little bit and give it some paint. Before I put it into the shop, it's got to look a little more authentic. This is probably some kind of Hobby Lobby piece of crap. Look, it's got like white paint bled inside there. What the heck? Anyway, I'm going to get some white paint out and we're going to improve upon the little house here. First things first, though, I got the price tag off and I think we need to sand it up a little bit more and de-uniform the shabbiness. Like, seriously. That's an H and an H and an H and an H and an H, and they're all the exact same. Doesn't that bother anyone but me? Like, I look at it and I'm like, ew, something's off about that. So let me grab some sandpaper. We're going to get after this thing. Seriously, have ginormous sanding discs and I can't use them on anything, so I got to tear them apart here. Let's see. I'm hoping this comes off. I would assume it would. Oh, yeah, even that's looking better. Just to get some of that. Yep, that's better. Now, not to be weird, but this is a little too precise for me as well. I don't know what this weird faux rust they've got going on is. All right, we are sanded. Got my upholstery hammer here. I'm just gonna whack those nails in. Let's give it a few hammer blows here and there. Because if this roof is this rusty, it's going to have some dents. Okay. That'll get your frustrations out, let me tell you. Look, that looks better. That definitely looks more authentic. And wherever their paint chipped off when I hit it with the hammer, I'm going to go ahead and sand that away. Bang that one down a little more. There we go. Mm. Yeah, this is already looking better the way it is. I'm not even sure I have much more I need to do on it. Do you want to get rid of this excess glazing we've got up in here? It's like they heavy-handed the glaze. Like heavy. I want to get in here. Paint on the back wall is weird, but look at this. Look at this is all their weird glaze. Look at this crap. Ick. That's looking better. I'm happy with this. I'm going to use my own glaze on it, I think. Do I want smoked? I think I'm going to do smoked. They used a brown glaze on the top of this, and I think I'm going to use the gray smoked glaze just to give it a different look. Is that gray? No, that's definitely brown. Get up here. I thought I was going to have to do some white on it, but I very much like how when I rubbed all this glaze away, the white came through. All right, let me get my glaze. I've gone ahead and dusted it off, so I've got a bit of a damp cloth here. And my smoked glaze. We're going to go in and give this just a darker feel, different look to it. And I don't want it too dark. I don't want to go heavy-handed like they did. Just giving it a good old smoky look. Aged look. So the raw wood is going to take it real well. I'm gonna, oh, don't drip. Got a little crazy with it. Yeah. I have to sit back and look at it for a minute. I'm like, oh, do I like it? Do I like it? Yeah, I like it. Some of the dark glaze is still on here. Gives it just a different look. I wonder how it would look on the tin. One sec. Let's try this. Oh, yeah. I like it on the tin. Yeah, we're going to age up the tin too. Yep. Just keep going. Bell tower. Don't forget the bell tower. All right, let's do the roof. I'm going to leave some dark spots so that it's not completely uniform on the roof, because that's what happens. You know, you look at some roofs and they've got moss and dark spots, and they're definitely not all one color. Especially not if it is an aging, falling apart, shabbied up building here. I think we've got it. It's not a huge change, just enough to make it not irritating. Now it actually looks distressed, like a little church and not some factory produced. I mean, we know it's factory produced, but it doesn't, I'm sure there was a lineup of all of these little birdhouse churches and they all had the same distressed H pattern all across them. Burn it down. Just burn it down. It's only me that's irritated by it. But now the back looks less uniform. You know, it's not exactly the same all the way around. It is distressed. Now it's going to get a price tag and get put in the booth. Now I can do it. I am trying desperately to think of what to do for the January booth, but I don't know. That's a topic of another conversation. So anyway, that is my only project for today. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.